As a Curtin student, you have access to a range of free and discounted software to help you complete your studies. The most important piece of software for students is Microsoft Office. As a Curtin student, you can download a copy of Microsoft Office on your personal computer for free. The Microsoft Office suite includes Outlook, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, which will help you when you're writing your assignments, communicating with your unit coordinators and tutors, and presenting your work. There's also a variety of discounted software, such as media tools, data tools, and specialist software that you may need within your course. It's best to check your unit outline to see if you need a particular software to complete your unit. When you're completing your assignments, remember to be safe online and only open links and files from people you trust. If you're not sure what laptop to use for your studies, visit your local IT store to discuss what's best for you. Remember to keep your software up to date, use strong passwords, and be mindful of the data you're sharing. Check out the IT Essentials page to learn about the other software you have available to you as a Curtin student.